Good morning friends, welcome to the new video of the chapter trigonometric functions. The next topic is solving a triangle. In this topic we mainly study how to find the elements. Now elements of a triangle. Generally a triangle consists of 3 sides and 3 angles. So what are the sides are here? AB, BC and AC, or you can take it as AB, BC and CA. So the lengths are here. Generally a triangle having how many elements? There are fixed elements. So you can write it as AB, side AB, or you can find length AB, that is length BC, that is CA. You can now here there are 3 elements AB, BC and CA. Now generally in this topic we can denote it by AB denoted by C, small c. Now BC denoted by small a, and AC or CA can be denoted by small b. These are the usual notations. These are the usual notations of a triangle. Now there are 3 elements here, AB, AC, BC. That means you can find small c, small a, small b. These are the sides of a triangle, and the remaining 3 elements are the angles. Angles are, again you know the angles, A, B, C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Simply we can write it as ABC. सो सबसे पहले नोटेशन देखना है. नोटेशंस क्या होंगे एक ट्रायंगल में? स्मॉल एबीसी क्या डिनोट करेगा? स्मॉल एबीसी डिनोट्स द साइड्स ऑफ दैट ट्रायंगल एंड कैपिटल एबीसी डिनोट्स द एंगल्स ऑफ दैट ट्रायंगल. ओके, सो दीज आर द 6 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एनी ट्रायंगल. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस. हाउ विल यू फाइंड दिस? इफ यू नो 3 sides, can you find the 3 angles? If you know 3 angles, can you find the 3 sides? No. You have to know at least 1 angle or 1 side to solve the remaining side or remaining angles. Okay. So generally, if you know C, you can find by the typical calculations or the simple calculations, you can find AB. Or if you know A, देन यू कैन AB अगर पता होगा तो C इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हो, दैट इज 180 वाला मैटर होगा. इफ यू नो 1 साइड 1 एंगल, 1 साइड 1 एंगल, 2 साइड 2 साइड 1 एंगल, इस तरह से तुमको एक ना एक एटलीस्ट 1 एलिमेंट शुड बी नोन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कुछ रिलेशंस है हमारे पास. नाउ द फर्स्ट रिलेशन, फर्स्ट थ्योरम, फर्स्ट रूल, जो भी रूल्स होंगे दैट इज साइन रूल, कोसाइन रूल, प्रोजेक्शन रूल. नाउ द फर्स्ट रूल फॉर सॉल्विंग ए ट्रायंगल इज अ साइन. What sine rule says? Sine rule says if in triangle ABC, A upon sin A should be equal to B upon sin B should be equal to C upon sin B, that is equal to 2R, where R is the circumradius. Okay, R is the circumradius of the triangle ABC. अब circumradius क्या होता है सेकेंड पार्ट में हम ध्यान देंगे. ओके, नाउ इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव टू प्रूव A अपॉन साइन A, B अपॉन साइन B, C अपॉन साइन C. 3 साइड्स आर इक्वल. हमको तीनों ही ये जो भी क्वांटिटीज होंगी वो इक्वल दिखाने होंगे. नाउ इन दिस केस ऑल 3 तीनों भी सॉल्व करते बैठेंगे तो बहुत टाइम निकलेगा. वी कैन सॉल्व एनी वन, कोई भी एक रेशियो हम सॉल्व करेंगे और उसके बाद बाकी का सिमिलरली लिख देंगे. सो जनरली इन दिस केस वी शुड नो द एरिया ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल. वी शुड नो द फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल. व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल? विच इज 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट. ओके, सो वी अप्लाई. जस्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस प्रूफ. Now in this diagram, generally 3 sides are, so AB, BC and CA in triangle ABC. Okay, in a triangle ABC, what we do AD is perpendicular to BC. In this AD perpendicular to BC. Now अगर ऐसा हुआ, so what it will be? AD is perpendicular to BC. Now try to find sin C. So what is sin C in this triangle? Observe ACD, triangle ACD में sin C की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Now what sin C becomes? Sin C is opposite upon hypotenuse, that is of 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree होने के बावजूद ये क्या होगा? That is sin C in triangle ACD. What is sin C here? Sin C is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. That opposite side will be AD and hypotenuse is AC. So that is AD upon AC. AD upon what is the value of AC? AC को मिलेंगे हम B. So AD should be equal to B sin C. Okay, that is our equation number 1. Now simple sin C का ratio निकाला है. Now what is the triangle? What is the area of triangle ABC? So area of triangle ABC, it should be 1 by 2. Base means BC and height means AD. So 1 by 2 base into height. Just try to put the value of AD here or BC here. BC, what is the value of BC? BC should be small a with the usual notations. We studied it earlier. 1 by 2 A into what is the value of AD? AD should be B sin C. Okay, now therefore area of triangle ABC should be equal to 1 by 2 AB sin C. Okay, similarly you can find this. This should be for sin C. हमने sin C निकाला इसलिए ऐसे निकाला है. If you find sin B, if you find sin A, so generally हमको different मिलते हैं. So similarly area of triangle ABC, it should be 1 by 2 BC sin A. It should be 1 by 2 CA sin B. All three relations are the area of triangle ABC. So we can write it as therefore 1 by 2 or you can make one adjustment 2 into कर दिए होते हैं. So that will also help. So if it will be 2 times area of ABC will be AB sin C. So again 2 times area of ABC, that will be BC sin A and CA sin B. So all these three quantities are equal. Therefore you can write AB sin C is equal to BC sin A is equal to CA sin B. Okay, so these three quantities are equal according to, we already proved this. Okay, so try to divide each and every element by ABC. Small ABC से हम divide कर देंगे इसको. So divided by small ABC. So what it will be? AB sin C is equal to BC sin A is equal to CA sin B. Okay, upon each and every element ko we have to divide it by ABC. Okay, now upon again ABC. So after cancellation of some term, that is AB cancelled, that is BC cancelled, that is CA cancelled. So what are the remaining terms? Remaining terms are sin capital C upon small c is equal to sin capital A upon small a, sin capital B upon small b. You can write it as at reciprocal. So C upon sin C is equal to A upon sin A is equal to B upon sine B. Okay, so in that proper manner you can write A upon sine A, B upon sine B, and C upon sine C. Okay, so this is the proper thing. A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. So that is the first part of this. That is the first part of this rule. Now what about second? A upon sine A, B upon sine B, and C upon sine C. What about the second thing? Now for this second thing we have to draw a diagram. So let's try the second diagram here. So obviously what is the meaning of circumcenter? Here obvious this, the area of a triangle, that triangle ABC inscribe एक सर्कल में तुमको इंस्क्राइब मिलेगा. ओके, सो द रेडियस ऑब्वियसली शुड बी इक्वल टू आर. ओ ए आर होगा, दैट शुड बी पी, और ओ पी भी जो होगा दैट शुड बी अगेन आर. ओके, सो दैट इज द सर्कम रेडियस. इफ ए सर्कल इंस्क्राइब, वो कवर अप होगा, ऑल द थ्री वर्टिसेस आर ऑन द सर्कल. So then that radius of that circle is called circumradius. Okay, now the next part. Now here obviously just you can observe here. Now in triangle ABC, so you know the usual notation. So what, that is C, B, and this is what, A. Now AP should be equal to what? How many? Here AP is equal to 2 times R. We draw a line from A, or generally in a triangle sum of all the angles, all ulterior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. अब 180 अगर ट्रायंगल होगा, सो एक तो भी उसमें 90 नहीं होगा. ऑल थ्री वर्टाइसेस, तीनों वर्टाइसेस में से एक जो भी होगा वो 90 नहीं होगा. सपोज that angle is A is not a right angle. अब ये right angle नहीं है, इसका मतलब हमने क्या किया, ये right angle हम बदले सकते हैं. Now we can draw a line AP, we can draw a diameter AP, which is what, 2 times R. Now observe the triangle here, ABC, angle ABC, और जो भी होगा angle APC, angle APC. ABC का आर्क ये भी है और APC का आर्क भी सेम है. इफ आर्क्स आर सेम then the angles are same. That's why in that case angle ABC should be equal to angle APC. Now angle ABC, APC are equal. That's why angle B should be equal to angle P. Simple thing है, बहुत जनों को पता होगी. इफ द आर्क इज सेम, आर्क लेंथ अगर सेम हो गई तो जो एंगल सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, सबटेंडेड करते हैं, वो सेम होता है. ओके, सो दैट इज द वन थिंग. सो एंगल ABC शुड बी इक्वल टू एंगल APC. ओके, नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट टाइप, नाउ ऑब्जर्व एंगल APC. APC, try to find the value of sin P. What is sin P? Here APC or ACP, obvious here, observe here, this is a right angle triangle. हमने right angle ले लिया, उसको करना ही है क्योंकि हमको sin P निकालना है. What will be the value of sin P from here on? So sin P की value, what is the ratio of sin P? Sin P is equal to opposite means B upon hypotenuse. 90 है तो hypotenuse AP है, so B upon AP. What will be the value of AP? AP should be equal to 2 times R. So sin P is equal to B upon 2R. But sin P or B? P, angle P and angle B are equal, so that's why sin B is also equal to B upon 2R. That means B upon sin B is equal to 2R. Observe this, understand this. B upon sin B is equal to what? 2 times R. In the similar fashion, we can find A upon sin A is equal to 2R. C upon sin C is equal to 2R. Okay. Similarly, what we can find? Similarly, A upon sin A is equal to 2R. C upon sin C is equal to 2R. That's why A upon sin A, B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C is equal to what? 2 times R. So where R is the circumradius of that circle. Circumradius यानी क्या होगा पता है ना? So जो भी वो ट्रायंगल ABC हमने कंसीडर किया वो उसके तीनों वर्टाइसेस which is on the circle. So that is the sine rule. अब different types of sine rule तुमको मिलेंगे. So A upon sin A, B upon sin B, C upon sin B, different way में तुमको लिखने को मिलेंगे. So what are the different ways or different formulas? Different sine rules are here. You can reciprocal it. It should be our 2R, that should be 1 upon 2R, 1 upon 2R. Can we can take it as sin A, B upon sin B, or simply A upon sin A is equal to 2R. So A should be equal to 2R into sin A. Small b should be equal to 2R into sin capital B. Small c should be equal to 2R into sin capital C. If you can replace that A upon sin A, B upon sin B, C upon sin C is equal to, simply you can write K. So what should be the value of A? A is equal to what? K into sin A. B is equal to K into sin B. C is equal to K into sin C. So that is the sine rule and it is all about. अगर sin A upon A लिया तो उधर भी 1 upon K यानी कोई भी constant हुआ, that is K. So what is the value of sin A in that case? AK. Sin B, BK. Sin C, CK. So they are all the different forms of that sine rule. Okay. So this is the sine rule which is very important. जो भी problems होंगे उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा use होता है. Okay, now the second rule or second whatever the formula for solving a triangle is our cosine rule. Okay, observe the statement of cosine rule. जो cosine rule में क्या prove करना है हमको? We have to prove a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc sin a. Okay, so these are the three results. Observe the relation between them. These are the three relations. We can find any one. कोई भी एक find कर लो. Similarly, second or third you can write it down. Now generally I have to take c here. Okay, so c अगर मैंने ऊपर ले लिया, so we find here point is at origin, we consider at A. So a square is equal to whatever b square plus c square जो भी निकालना है. So that point should be on the origin. So A in triangle ABC. Now here try to find the coordinates. What are the coordinates of A? तीनों की coordinates हमको लिखने पड़ेंगे. So A should be equal to, three coordinates are, what are the coordinates of A? Which is at origin, which is 0 0. What are the coordinate of B? What is coordinate of B? B जो भी होगा, that is C distance है. So that should be C0. This should be 0 0. B, what is point B? Is equal to small c0. Distance कितना है ये? C capital C. Opposite side जो भी होगा small c होगा. Okay, so that should be distance कितना है? Length है C. So C comma 0 is the coordinate of B. What is the coordinate of C? That is the big question here. Okay, सबको ध्यान में आना चाहिए कि ये B जो भी C के coordinate होंगे वो क्या है? Now observe here. In the last lecture, we studied the polar coordinates and the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so we have to use this polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Polar coordinates जो भी होंगे that will be r theta. Cartesian coordinates are x y. Now in this we have to find, or we have to make one quick adjustment here. Try to draw a perpendicular line from the point C on AB. That should be D. That should be D. This is for our convenience. Now, obviously CD, side CD is perpendicular to AB. So, okay, now CD is perpendicular to what? AB. So this is a right angle triangle at D. So what will be if you consider this angle A? For first one we have to consider A. If you consider angle A, what is the value of sin A? Sin A, try to find sin A and sin B. What is sin A, sin B here? So sin A is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite means CD upon hypotenuse is AC. CD upon AC. But CD जो है वो क्या है? वो y डिस्टेंस है. That is y. और ये जो होगा डिस्टेंस, ये पूरा C है. ये जो डिस्टेंस होगा वो x डिस्टेंस होगा. That is y. ओके, अगर ये तुम लेंगे तो ये x होगा. पिछले लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा था ये. ओके, सो दिस इज y, दिस इज x. ओके, सो दैट विल बी y अपॉन AC कितना हुआ? b. सो y बाय b. दिस इज व्हाट कोसाइन a. कोसाइन a क्या होगा? कोसाइन a विल बी एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस x अपॉन b. ये c यानी पूरा है, ये c पूरा है, ये है ओनली x अपॉन b. सो इन दैट केस y इज इक्वल टू मिला b साइन a और x इज इक्वल टू मिला b cos a. सो जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे दे आर इन द फॉर्म x कॉमा y. सो पुट द राइट डाउन द वैल्यू b cos a and this is b sin a. So these are the coordinates of what? Point C, which is directly given in that textbook. Okay, so they are the coordinates of what? C. So according to the coordinates, now we can find, we have to find a square. So by distance formula, just write distance formula. When we use distance formula, when we know the coordinate of these 2 points. दो distance कब निकालते हैं दो पॉइंट में का? जब भी तुमको coordinates पता है वो निकालते हैं. So you know the coordinates of B and C. So distance BC, or you can write BC square. अंडर रूट का क्या होता है फॉर्मूला? अंडर रूट BC स्क्वायर. अब स्क्वायर कर दिया तो अंडर रूट नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? फॉर्मूला इज x1 माइनस x2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 होल स्क्वायर. अब क्या होगा? c. देखो इसको बोलेंगे x1 y1, इसको बोलेंगे x2 y2. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला ऑल यू नो. सो c माइनस b cos a होल स्क्वायर प्लस 0 माइनस b sin a होल स्क्वायर. सो दैट शुड बी a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. c स्क्वायर bc हुआ तुम्हारा a स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर माइनस 2bc cos a. अप्लाई दैट a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर, जनरल फैक्टोरिंग फॉर्मूला, प्लस b cos a होल स्क्वायर मीन्स b स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर a प्लस ये कितना 0 माइनस, सो माइनस b sin a होल स्क्वायर विल बी, दैट शुड बी b स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर b, सॉरी sin स्क्वायर a. सो ऑब्जर्व दिस टर्म, b स्क्वायर गेट कॉमन, सो c स्क्वायर माइनस 2 टाइम्स bc cos of a plus b square common, we get cos square a plus sin square a. Okay, so this will be your fundamental identity whose value is 1. So if this is 1, So c square minus 2bc cos a plus b square into what? 1. Try to write down b square in the first. So b square plus c square minus 2bc cos of a, which is the value of a square. So which is our first proof. So this is the proof first. Now if you have to find the b square, so you have to take b as at origin and then solve. According to this you can find c square also. So similarly you can find b square is equal to, what is b square is equal to? C square plus a square minus 2ca cos of b, and c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos of c. So you can find these two results also by the using of this method. Okay. So this is all about for the cosine rule. First of all we solve for sine rule, and secondly for cosine rule. Now the third one is projection rule. Projection rule proof is very lengthy, so we just try to write the statements only and then solve the problems from the next exercise, which is totally depends on the sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. Okay. So one more thing I like to show, I like to tell you, that is b square, a square, b square, c square की value निकली है यहाँ से. Now if I have to find, whenever I solve this again further and further and try to find the value of cos A. Similarly for cos B and cos C. What is the value of cos A from the first one? Just try to use that memory. बिल्कुल हमारे अंदर में ही पकना चाहिए सब कुछ बातें. जैसे cos A. What will be the value of minus 2bc cos A? If minus 2bc इधर ले लिया, a स्क्वायर इधर चला गया, b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर, ये होगी वैल्यू हमारी 2bc की, बराबर. सो 2bc शुड बी इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर, 2bc cos of a. So therefore cos a should be equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2 times bc. That will be the value of cos a. Similarly for the value of cos b and for the value of cos c. You can easily find this and just try to remember this. The first one is sine rule, second one is cosine rule, and different forms of sine rule also and different forms of cosine rules also. Okay, so these are the special information or explanation, proof of sine rule and cosine rule and the different forms. Okay, so just try to remember these things, three things. In the next lecture we try to solve the problems from that next exercise, which is totally based on the sine rule and cosine rule. So till then, thank you.